What's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. I'm Joel Tucker at Veering's RV Center, Grants, Michigan, where I want to bring to you the fabulous new 2019 Holiday Rambler Admiral 34J, a bunkhouse Class A gas motorhome that's Joel loves. So stay tuned and let's take a look. Well, everyone, let's start real quick on the outside of this Admiral because there's a lot of cool things going on. First of all, you have a large patio awning with LED lights for you to hang out with friends and family while you're camping. Sit back, relax, watch your 50-inch TV with your favorite television show or game on. We also provide you with an outdoor camp kitchen with a microwave, refrigerator, a plumb sink, and some storage and a nice space for extra items you want to put along there. On the back of this Holiday Rambler, you got a lot of things going on here. You have a backup camera, easy ability to see what's behind you if you're towing a vehicle, or just check out your campsites as you're backing in. You have a nice roof ladder to access the roof for yearly maintenance, a nice sized bumper, and a receiver and hitch back there as well that holds up to 8,000 pounds. As you can tell, this is a bunkhouse floor plan with a huge super slide. So basically you got a lot of interior space for your bunks and for your seating and kitchen area. Now, Holiday Rambler, they build motorhomes like a motorhome should be built, with the right materials and construction techniques. So we have aluminum framing, we have interlocking sidewalls, and we have no wood in our fiberglass, which means your coach will not delaminate. So again, on the back side of your coach here, on the driver's side, you have some things going on here. We have your outdoor shower with hot and cold water, your city water inlet, and your black tank flush. If you want to get your tank nice and clean, hook up a water hose to this and get it nice and clean. And beneath there, you'll find your flush stations here as well. So you got your levers here for your black and gray tank to get it all nice and clean, and then your water filter, which is a whole coach water system. This does come with a 10-gallon hot water heater, which works on gas and electric. This has 19.5-inch tires, frameless windows, and side view cameras as well. This really has it all at a great price point here at Veering Service Center. So please give us a call at any time, 616-965-9623. From here, let's head on inside. Well, thanks for joining me inside this beautiful Holiday Rambler Admiral 34J Class A gas motorhome. I want to make sure you're aware that this has one huge super slide, and this is the bunkhouse floor plan. So we'll do a quick overview on the inside, show you some great features it has for you. So stay tuned and let's take a quick walk around the inside. Won't you guys come on into the master bedroom back here, which features a king-size bed and a back window. I definitely love having a window on the back of this motorhome. That way you have extra natural light coming on in here. But as you look around, you have a lot of storage in here. We have a whole bank of wardrobes on the driver's side here, a lot of glass windows here. 6 drawers down beneath here, which do pull out for a ton of storage. So him and hers can have your own bank of drawers here for all your clothing items you want to bring along with you. Whether you're out for a weekend, a week, or months, you have plenty of storage in here. Next to that will be your television up here, which is Sansui 39-inch television. A nice spot here to get ready in the morning for makeup and what have you. And then another 3 more wide drawers for even more storage. And they are a nice and tight fixture there, which is kind of cool because that way if you're going down the road, these won't pop open on you. So it's nice that these actually do open hard. This does have a secondary AC back here with your own personal thermostat to control temperatures in the back end of the coach. Above the bed, you have plenty of storage over here as well. More wardrobes, bar here and a bar there. We have a nice deep cabinet here as well, very tall. You got extra lights back here for reading at nighttime. And one cool thing in this Holiday Rambler you won't get on any other motorhome is your own separate Bluetooth radio, which is right down below, with speakers back here as well. Kind of cool feature there. So let's get out of the bedroom and head up to show you the cool bunks for the kids. As we make our way from the master bedroom into the hallway area, let's focus in on the bunks. So again, this is a 34J Admiral bunkhouse motorhome. So we have 2 large bunks right here. Now this year, Holiday Rambler went a step above and really created a nice functional doors to the bunk area and this rustic barn looking sliding doors with some nice hardware. Frosted glass for your privacy, but gives it a nice, rich, modern look as well. Again, let's take a look at these bunks in here, which will be 73 inches long and 20 inches wide, so enough space in there for a 6-foot adult. You have lights in both bunks, along with outlets as well. And a cool feature on this is that you have these magnetic catches that will keep the doors locked in transit, but this also has your soft closing. So no worries about the kids slamming these doors shut on you, breaking the glass, with a soft close function there. Very cool looking bunks. Beneath the bunks will be 4 drawers for clothing items. And again, nice, wide, deep, full extension drawer lights here. So let's get these closed and take a look directly across from your bunks will be your LED flat screen television with storage above and below. Now this setup here flips down here with an HDMI port as well as a plug, so you can put a game system up here, you can put a Blu-ray DVD player, what have you, and the kids can really stay entertained right across from the bunk area. And directly across from the bunks will be the full bathroom. So let's take a look right on in here, head on in there. You see you have a lot of space in there, and you have a ton of countertop space as well. Storage throughout, a stainless steel sink, porcelain foot flush toilet, mesa cabinet, and a nice size shower with glass doors, a skylight, fully shower surround, enough room to get ready in the morning. And of course you have coat hooks right here in the door as well for towels. And then as you enter down the hallway, I want to point out that this does come with a touchscreen system, which will basically allow you to run the lights. It'll allow you to check your tank levels. You can also work your slides, your thermostat, and a cool feature is your auto gen start as well, so you can basically set it up that way you can kick on the generator when you want to. Only in this Holiday Rambler Admiral. And as we make our way down, we have a gorgeous kitchen with all your appliances and a ton of space up here to get prep and put your coffee pots and whatever else you want to bring along with you, whether again you're camping for a weekend or a month at a time. So first of all, let's see that we have a nice pull-up faucet here with double bowl stainless steel sinks with matching sink covers. Put that right back in there. Beneath that, we'll have plenty of storage down here as well. This door opens up underneath the sink with plenty of open space down there for a trash can, for pots and pans. We have 3 large, wide, full extension drawers over here. Right next to your stainless steel oven and 3-burner cooktop with a flush mount cover here, which acts as a backsplash while you're cooking, or acts as more space if you just want to put up a toaster oven, ice maker, those kind of things. Plenty of room up here for that. We did a nice gorgeous backsplash here as well, which is, you know, real tile. Your high point microwave and plenty of cabinets right above here. And one thing we do at Holiday Rambler is we actually give you adjustable shelves. So if you need taller items in here, make sure the shelf can be raised a little higher for taller items. Across the kitchen will be your large residential refrigerator, which is a Whirlpool brand. Next to that will be your pantry with 4 deep shelves for all your box goods, canned goods, bags of chips, what have you. So overall, you got a ton of room in the bedroom for storage, on your bunks as well, and even more in the kitchen. From here, we'll take a look at the living room and your cockpit. Now, as we make our way to the front of the coach, this is really going to be your living area. So this is where you spend some time watching TV, relaxing, coming in from outdoors, having a great time with friends and family. You can sit back and relax in your theater seats. These are nice wide seats as well, nice back support. And then again, you got your lever here to pull it back up and then just sit back and relax and watch your television. It comes with your cup holders, as well as a spot to hold miscellaneous items, remotes, things like that. We do have, again, your booth style dinette table here where you sit back, eat meals enough room for 4 adults to sit comfortably. This tabletop will drop down for extra sleeping as well. Got cup holders here. Again, your television with windows on both sides. Now, both the dinette and your theater seats do have seat belts, so your guests can ride safely in either here or over in the chairs. Right above your theater seats will be even more storage area up over here. Again, nice, wide, deep cabinets here. And we do have your hookups here for a DVD player, Blu-ray player, things like that in this cabinet. So let's check out the cockpit area where you'll spend the time as you're coming to and from your great camping adventures. First of all, I'm sitting in a flex steel chair, which is super comfortable and very reliable. Both chairs do swivel, rotate. The driver's chair will be powered operated. And as you can tell, if you do turn these chairs, you have a nice round table here where you can hang out with your partner in crime and enjoy a cocktail, maybe play some games right here on your table. As you can tell, we have a nice, very efficient dash area here with all your controls. You have your Boss radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and backup camera. You have your high output hot and cold temperatures. You have your hydraulic leveling, self-leveling. Easy as pushing a button and it will self-level the coach off right for you. You have also your dash instruments. We do have power front shade here for your convenience. We have a tilting steering wheel with your cruise control. And over there you also have a cup holder. And then a cool thing about being a passenger riding in this coach, you can do work on the road. So you have your pull-out desk here with an integrated drawer as well with storage. Now, Holiday Rambler did a great job this year with their brand new 2019 Holiday Rambler Admirals, especially this 34J bunkhouse motorhome. Again, this is in the Whispering Wind wood and chateau decor. This, of course, can be ordered in a lighter, a cherry woodwork, or a darker furniture if that's what you prefer. But we do have this in stock ready to roll down the road. Again, I'm Joel Tucker at Veering Service Center. Give me a call with questions about this coach at 616-965-9623. We take trades, we finance, and we ship nationwide. So don't hesitate, call me today.